This 2017 Keystone Passport Ultra Light Grand Touring 3320BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 11, leveling jacks, CO detector, air conditioning, slideout, stove top burner, awning, auxiliary battery, oven, refrigerator, external shower, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Passport Ultra Light Grand Touring 3320BH is 6,586 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.